discuss.
Thought no one, he forgot what the world is like. Balance beams in the dark of night. Yellow eyes glow in the dark. Wondering when he can diss and party in the house. And he's not compassionate, his mind is filled with doubt. The cat's in the cabinet, oh no. The cat's in the cabinet, oh no. The cat's in the cabinet. Nowhere to sit, he had to scrunch. Everyone else enjoying their lunch. Looked away, slammed the door.
Related question: do cats get bored?